In this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate YouTube TV so you can easily find and enjoy your favorite shows, live channels, and on-demand content. Let's get started. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to streamline your experience, mastering YouTube TV's interface will make your streaming effortless. When you open the YouTube TV app or website, the first thing you'll see is the home screen. This section provides personalized recommendations based on your viewing history, including live broadcasts, recorded shows, and suggested content. Scroll down to explore categories like live, sports, news, and entertainment, which are curated to help you discover new programs. To access live channels, click on the Live tab at the top of the screen. Here you'll find a scrollable lineup of all available channels currently airing live content. Use the search bar to quickly locate specific networks or browse through the guide for a complete A to Z list of channels. If you frequently watch certain networks, add them to your favorites by clicking the star icon next to their name. This ensures they appear at the top of your Live tab for quick access. For recorded shows or DVR content, head to the Library tab. This section organizes your saved recordings, watch history, and on-demand content into easy-to-navigate categories. You can also manage your recordings here by scheduling new ones or deleting old ones. The search bar at the top of the screen is another powerful tool. Use it to find specific shows, movies, or channels instantly. Additionally, the menu, usually represented by 3 lines, gives you access to settings, account details, and billing information. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making the most of YouTube TV. Thanks for watching, and I hope navigating YouTube TV feels simple and intuitive now. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.